Good morning, welcome back to the channel, everybody. You know who I am. If you don't know who I am by now, my name's Scott Challoner, SC Landscapes and Construction. Scott Challoner Landscapes and Construction. And today I am going to ask you a big favour. Before you go any further, right now, stop what you're doing, press pause and give this video a big thumbs up, because today is the finish completion. Oh my lord, that sun's bright. Is the finished complete Gillbank job. So what you're going to see in this video now is the finished job. Basically, I've got a load of cleaning up do. I've got get all my tools together. Well, not many tools. I've got my ladders there, I've got me mixer and this, that and the other. So if you would, I would much appreciate it. I asked for 1,000 likes on one of the on the previous video, the tiling job. I didn't get 1,000 likes. I got really close to it, so I'm going to ask for 1,500 likes. If that's not too much to ask, wait till you see the finish. I'm going to put a load of pictures into this video of what it was like when I went back to this job, when I was on my own, and I'm going to show you all the befores and afters and everything in between, and I'm going to be putting them on throughout. So I'm just on my way now. The sun, can you believe it? The sun's out. It's absolutely lovely weather, and I am really over the moon that this day has come. Not because I'm sick of the job, but because it's been a long time coming. It's been a lot of hard work, been a lot of heads, well, not head scratching as such, but there's been a lot of down days. The weather, since I started the tiling, the actual tiling job, I've been rained off. I've reckoned it up. I've been rained off about 6 to 7 days, 7 days near on, and I put in 10 days for this job, for the tiling, to cover myself. And today would be day number 10. But I was finished yesterday, so all I've got, so it took me 9 days in total to do the tiling, and that's tis what it is. Now, other people might say, oh well, you should have done that a lot quicker, but that's by the by. There's been a lot of cutting, a hell of a lot, battling with weather and this, that and the other, in and out. When I say that it took me 9 days, a couple of those days were really unproductive days because I was stopping and starting and everything else. So a couple of days weren't really full days. They were probably a couple of hours here and there, and just try and get through the weather. So I hope you appreciate all the hard work that's gone into this job. I know the customers are absolutely over the moon, and I'm also over the moon that it's done for them. And now I can start thinking about getting on to the next job, which is going to be unfolding next week. So, just on the way, I need some fuel. Fully burnt out of fuel. So yeah, if you've been watching this start to finish of this job, and a lot of subscribers have been watching all the progress and everything, I'm sure a lot of you will appreciate exactly what work's gone into it. Some people might think, oh, that's not a lot of work. But when you're on your own, everything takes twice as long. When you've got a team around you, you can actually get it done. You can get jobs done. You can be in and out and everything else. When you've got to lift everything on your own, when you've got to move everything, you got to do, you know what I'm saying. So yeah, enough of that. You all know this road. Where are we? And this will be the last time, I hope, that I'll be coming back here for a while. So, enough of that. See you in a minute. So, welcome back again. Right, this is going to be the last video and the last pictures and the last footage of the Gillbank job this year. Right, now this is what it looks like now. There we go, it's all nice and finished. That sun's bright. That's what it looks like from the front. The front, down the steps. Sump cover, sump drain there, which goes out just there into that ACO, goes all the way down there. That's obviously the rest of the drive. Here's a couple of pictures of this now. Steps, other steps, back wall, from that angle up, front wall, gravel's all in, grouted, all grouted up, black grout, all in, all around the steps. All the tops, all down there is all done. So that is the job, absolutely finished, knocked off, complete. I'm all cleaned up, got rid of all my stuff. So that is it. Like I said at the beginning, do us a favour and hit the thumbs up. Let's try and get 1500 likes for this video, and the gold tooth will be coming soon, so there'll be less of that smiling. So yeah, happy days. Look how lovely it is. Catch you on the next job.